Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I am sitting down again to show you guys how I did this look. I tried to do that Glossier fresh glowy type of look where they look like they're not wearing any makeup at all, but they look flawless. I actually got a bunch of Glossier products that I wanted to try in their cute packaging, and I used almost all of them except the jelly cleanser because that's a cleanser, and I also included a couple more other products to complete the whole look. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching.
Mother sucker.
Alright, here's my cute little box again, and I have my Ordinary and Glossier stuff in there. I stuffed everything in one bag for the purpose of this video, but I am going to start off with my Priming Moisturizer. I really like this primer because it did moisturize and it did make my skin feel and look really nice. But because I do have oily skin, it did not control my oils, which is fine because it doesn't claim to. That's the only thing that I really have to look out for throughout the day is my oils, and that's why I'm gonna keep using it because it did make my skin feel really nice. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Soft Matte Concealer by NARS. I'm really only going to cover the darkness around my eyes and around my mouth. I wanna leave everything else out there in the open to make me look just even more natural. The Wowder that I'm gonna use later helps with a little more coverage, but for the most part, I'm just gonna cover up the darkness so I don't look dead. Going in with my light medium Wowder. I really like this powder because it made my skin look smooth. As for coverage, there's not really much. It's really just gonna mattify and like smooth everything out at first, but throughout the day it does get oily for me because my oils are really intense. It looked a little weird under my eyes, not terrible, so I just kept going with it. Next, I'm gonna moisturize my lips with my coconut Balm Dot Com. It's really thick and I really like that. I know some people don't like thick lip balms, but I'm okay with it. As for eyebrows, I had a really tough time keeping them even this day, but whatever, I kept going on with it. I'm gonna go in with my boy brow. I got it in the shade Black, and I tried really hard to get that bushy boy eyebrow look. I usually don't ever do that, but ever since this day I've been doing it a little more and more, and I enjoy it just because it makes it look more natural and not so like filled in and like super clean and cut, you know? I'm a bigger fan of the natural than the perfect precision cut clean eyebrow. Don't get me wrong, they're really nice as well, but on me, I feel like natural is a little better. I really enjoyed the boy brow. It did hold everything in place all day. It didn't make it look like I had more hairs on my brows, so that was really nice. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Haloscope. I got it in the shade Quartz. I put it in the usual places: cheekbones, nose, chin, forehead, under the brows, and it was a really nice, subtle glow. It's nothing crazy if you're a big highlight girl, but it was nice for this natural look. I tried using just the shiny stuff because in the middle is like this waxy stuff, and I tried using that on my forehead just because that's where I get the most oily, and I think it did pretty good. Because I'm more of a intense highlight girl rather than a subtle highlight girl, I topped it off with this Topshop highlighter in Crescent Moon. I found this just like out of the blue. I was shopping with Carlos and I swatched it and I fell in love. So I used it on top of the Haloscope to give me a more iridescent glow, and I really liked it. Next, I'm gonna go in with my butter bronzer, and I'm not really going to go really intense with the butter bronzer just because, again, I'm trying to get that natural look. So I'm just adding a little bit of shadow, a little bit more accentuation of the features. I think I probably said that wrong, but I went really light. Next, I'm going in with my Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. I really like this one because it adds just a little more glow, plus a little more of that rosy pink, it's cold outside kind of blush. And again, I went light to keep it natural. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm gonna go really light with my mascara as well. I usually aim for length when I'm doing my lashes, not so much volume. So I tried to just make them longer by closing my eyes and getting like the tips of my eyelashes to get that length. So to add a little more glow and open up my eyes and make me look a little more alive, I went in with highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes. I used the Glow Down by Maybelline. And to top it all off, I went in with my Morphe setting spray. The spray really smooths everything out and makes it look super dewy and nice and healthy. So I thought it was perfect to top off the makeup. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. It wasn't so difficult. I used very minimal product and I think it came out really nice so far. We'll see how it goes throughout the day. I wanted to give you guys a little overview on the products in case you did want to get anything. The products are a little pricey, so I did have to give up a little extra money to get these products. They do offer bundles, and I actually have a code for 10% off if you guys wanted to use that. That'll save you a little extra money, but they do make the unboxing process enjoyable. I got this box because I got the Wowder Priming Moisturizer and Jelly Cleanser duo or trio. So they did give it to me in this little box, and I did grab a couple other things and they gave it to me in just like a regular cardboard box. And this pink packaging, pink packaging will always come with your products, which I think is really cute because you can reuse it as like a makeup bag or whatever to hold your little things in. Application wise and like throughout the day wear wise, I still have yet to figure out if I like it throughout the day. When I first tried on the Wowder, it sat really weird on my skin, but I was using other products, and the products that I use today, they worked out pretty well. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next one.